All right, let's do another geometry problem. So here we've got a big rectangle, and inside it there are a bunch of smaller rectangles, each with its area written inside, and we need to find the area of the yellow rectangle. Okay, so let's start with the rectangle that has area 11. Let's say its sides are A and B, so its area is A times B, and that equals 11. Now look right above it at the rectangle with area 22. It has the same width, A, but twice the area, so its height has to be 2B. Now let's move over to the middle stack. The rectangles with areas 16 and 8 have the same width. Let's call that width W. We already know the height of the 16 rectangle is B because it lines up with the 11 rectangle. Then right under it, we have the rectangle with area 8, which has the same width as rectangle 16, but half area, so its height has to be half of the height of the rectangle 16, which is B over 2. Now look at the yellow rectangle on the right. Its height stretches from the bottom of the big rectangle up to the top of that middle 8 rectangle. So total height is B plus B over 2, which is 3/2 of B. So the yellow rectangle has height 3 over 2 times B. Now go to the big rectangle on top with area 39. It stretches all the way across above the 8 rectangle and above the yellow rectangle. The height of the 39 rectangle is equal to the height of 22 rectangle minus the height of 8 rectangle. So it is 2B minus half B, which is 3/2 B. Now here's the key idea. Under that same width and the same height, the area of rectangle 39 is equal to the combined area of the rectangle 8 and 16 and the yellow rectangle. So we can say 8 plus 16 plus the yellow area equals 39. So the yellow area Y has to be 39 minus 24. So if you came up with a different way to see that, or you spotted a shortcut, feel free to share your method in the comments. And if you're enjoying these types of problems, don't forget to, like the video and subscribe for more math.